Hi, I'm Mr. Huber, and in this video I would like to talk about cosine 120 and tangent 30 degrees, problem 1b and 1c. So let's start with cosine of 120 degrees. Well, let's take our table. Well, we can't see 120 degrees. So how can we do this? That's why the hand sketch is quite important. So let's have a unit circle. Doesn't have to be perfect, but try to do it as a hand sketch. Then 120 degrees is somewhere over here. So this is 120 degrees. Your unit circle 1, 1. So 90 degrees plus 30 degrees. So look, this here is going to be 60 degrees because the flat angle is 180. So this is your sine, but we're not interested in the sine. We're interested in this, the cosine. And you can already see what it's going to be. Because look, this is minus 1, minus 1. It's like a 60-degree angle. Well, you can find that in here. Cosine of 60 is 1/2. But then you're in, when you look at the quadrants, 1, 2, 3, and 4, you're in the second quadrant. So it's in the negative. So this one is minus 1/2. Well, clearly you could do it with a calculator in order to check whether it's right what you did. First, you need to check that your calculator is set to degrees. That's the case here. Then cosine of 120, look, it's minus 1/2. So that's why this drawing, this quick hand sketch, is so important. Now let's have a look at tangent 30 degrees. Tangent 30 degrees. So that's very easy because it's here. You just look at the table and it's the square root of 3 over 3. So square root of 3 over 3. So once you memorize that, you know what it is. But the hand sketch will come in handy later on. Here we go. This is the tangent to the circle. 30 degrees is probably something like this. This is 30 degrees. And your tangent is this wiggly line, the length of this wiggly line. 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1. So this is the length, the square root of 3 over 3. You can type it in, tangent of 30 degrees. Well, square root of 3 over 3. Not difficult, okay? You could read this off the table, or once you memorize the table, you know it by heart. So not difficult. So I hope you've understood how I did this one. I couldn't read it off the table, but I could use my knowledge about 60 degrees. Cosine of 60 degrees is 1/2, but because it's in the second quadrant, it was minus 1/2. The length of this line segment is minus 1/2. Hope it wasn't too difficult. See you on the next one.